In a quaint little town lived a family of four: Maya, Mark, Lily, and Ethan. Maya was an artist, Mark an engineer, and their children, Lily and Ethan, were full of curiosity and joy. Their cozy home was filled with laughter, shared meals, and evenings of board games. Weekends were for hiking and exploring nature's wonders. Maya's colorful paintings adorned the walls, reflecting their vibrant bond. Mark's inventive projects delighted Lily and Ethan, sparking their own creativity. Together, they planted a garden, watching it bloom as a symbol of their unity. Family dinners were a cherished tradition, where they discussed dreams and supported each other. Movie nights brought them closer, huddled under blankets, sharing popcorn. Lily and Ethan's accomplishments in school were celebrated with beaming pride. Their love and respect for one another formed the foundation of their happiness. With open hearts, they embraced each day as a new opportunity to strengthen their unbreakable bond, making their house a true home filled with love and joy.